Today's day 11. I'm going to show you my progress and I want to tell you why I don't have stretch marks. I'm pretty sure, I'm like 99% sure that this is why I don't have them. I have used every day since I found out I was pregnant this twice a day, at least twice a day. Towards the end, when your stomach is just stretching out so much, it gets dry really fast and I would use it 3 times a day, but twice a day. It's called Bella Bee Tummy Butter and I love it. Love, love, love it. The ingredients are really good. It's got a lot of organic ingredients. It's for stretch mark prevention and it works. I mean, you could probably even use coconut oil and it would work as long as you use something and you're consistent about it. I just chose this because my friend used it with her she used it with her first pregnancy, didn't get any, didn't use it with her second pregnancy, got some, and wished she used it. So I'm in love. I'm a fan, and I would do it again in a heartbeat. I love it. Love, love, love it. Here's what my stomach looks like today, day 11. You can see there's still the dark line, but there's less to grab here, which is good. And I don't have any stretch marks. I'll show you. Let me turn the camera around and you can see. So I think it might be easier to see this way, but yeah, I don't have any. And I did get stretch marks when I was 12 and growing, so I know that I can get them, but I didn't get any with this pregnancy. So I'm so thankful, and I would use that stuff again in a heartbeat. Here's another shot of what it looks like. I just ordered this on Amazon. You can get it at, there's stores that sell it though, but it's fantastic. All you moms out there, I would be curious if you have tried something that's worked, or if you've tried something and it didn't work. I would also be curious, so write in the comments below if you have tried anything, or maybe you've tried it for a growth spurt and it did or didn't work, but I'd be curious, let me know. And in my next video, I'll talk about my placenta encapsulation, which I did and am taking. Very exciting.